Hi, I'm Brodie from the Unley Toy Library. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of our new Caden wooden marble runs that we've added to the collection. This set is a great open-ended marble run. Each of the pieces is separate and you can build up the marble run however you like. I've put it together in this configuration, but it does go in many others. This set comes with 5 wooden balls, and this is our chord set. So there are musical notes. This is a C note that slide in, and as we roll the balls down, you will hear the sound of the notes. These sets are fantastic for developing tracking skills as you watch the balls move through the track. They are good for taking risks and problem solving. So working out how to put the pieces together to make the run work. If you removed a piece here, could we substitute something else to still make it work? These marble runs are also great for communication and language skills as you talk with each other as you're trying to build the set. Each set comes in a sturdy wooden box and 5 balls. Come down to the Unley Toy Library and check out our Caden marble runs.